How to add bookmarks menu in Firefox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add the bookmarks menu and enable the menu bar in Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, make sure you have Firefox open on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, go and download it from the official Mozilla website. Next, look at the top right corner of your Firefox window. You will see three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on that. In the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools and then click on Customize Toolbar. This will open a new window. Right-click on the menu bar and select Bookmarks. This will add Bookmarks menu to your toolbar. Once you have done that, you will see the Bookmarks menu appear. You can now easily access your bookmarks directly from the menu bar. Let's test it out. And that's it, you have successfully added the bookmark menu and enabled the menu bar in Firefox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll see you in the next video.